Okay, so let's move on towards the solution. So the question was, you are a part of a team Avengers and following all your team members. Your task is to find the secret key which was been stolen by Thanos. So you would have probably visited these pages. Let me tell you, there is no clue over here. So if you know, every website has one robot.txt file. So this site also has one robot.txt file. If you visited this link, you will probably land on this page where you can see the some pages which has been allowed for our spider of the web browser to crawl, and this is the page which allows, it doesn't allows our spider of a web browser to crawl. So this was the page which I was looking for. You just need to copy this and paste it over here, and yeah, here is our secret key. You just need to copy it and paste it over here. So yeah, I got the flag.